In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you about dividing integers with the same sign. Okay, so if we have negative 10, divide by negative 2. And I'll teach you the steps and the tricks, so make sure you stick around for all of the information. So remember the following rule. So the rule is, if we have same signs, we're going to have a positive quotient. So if we have a positive divide by positive, it's going to give us a positive. If we have a negative divide by negative, it's going to give us a positive. These signs are the same. When they are the same, they're going to give us a positive answer. Okay? That's what quotient means in division. For different signs, we get a negative quotient. So if we have negative divide by positive, it's going to give you a negative. If we have a positive divided by a negative, it will give you a negative. So you just have to remember, opposite signs are going to give you a negative answer. Same signs will give you a positive answer. So we know our answer will be positive because we have two negatives here. Negative divided by negative is going to give us a positive. When the signs are the same, the answer will be positive. So we can simply divide 10 divided by 2. It would be the same thing, which gives us 5. Because here we have positive divided by positive equals positive. And that's it. That's the entire lesson, and anyone can do this, so don't worry if you didn't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. In there you'll find videos that are similar to this. You could take a look at those. As well, you could download the ebook. In the ebook, I have a link to this exact video, and you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.